Hey, this is Kyle. I'm going to do a bike check. I'm going to start from the front. I got some Shadow grips and Shadow plastic bar ends. The grips are really grippy, so I like them. Got the Sputnik Skyline bars. They're Tony Nair's signature bars. They're really big and they're strong so far. I got the Animal Jump Off stem. Hasn't stripped on me yet or moved at all, so I like it. I got the Eastern Hawkeye fork. It's really strong so far. It's got good peg clearance. And I just got a stock wheel and a Animal GHL front tire in 2.10 and just a stock peg. And I got the Premium Death Trap Garrett Reynolds signature frame with an FBM headset in that, and a Clate plastic pivotal seat with a premium seat post. And I got a Sputnik bottom bracket, 19mm. It's a mid, so fits my frame. And I got an Clate sprocket with an Odyssey Bluebird chain, some stock cranks, and some real good Eastern plastic pedals. They're real big and really grippy, so I like it. And I got a custom back wheel. It's a Demolition Anorexia 11 tooth laced with Primo 12 gauge spokes to a Primo hula hoop rim. The rim's really strong, hasn't bent or moved at all. And I got a Fly Reuben back tire, 2.0. I got a FBM hub guard and another stock peg. And that's my bike. See you.